Hello, my friend. What you looking at, my friend? You looking for somebody? What you looking at, player? What you looking at, player? You looking for me? Oh, why you lonely? You're such a cutie friend. Why you walking so slow like that? I'm talking to you. What you looking for? Jimmy? I haven't seen Jimmy in days, mate. Oh, man, you coming close to me, mate. What you looking for, mate? I'm talking to you, player. What you looking at? What did I do? I'm just talking to you. I'm being friendly. My name is Rob Graham. What's your name? Can you talk? Hello? Can you talk? You can't talk, can you? What are you looking at, player? I'm talking to you. I said my name is Rob Graham. I'm from Glasgow. What are you looking for, mate? Do you talk? Yeah, you're looking at me. Do you talk? I'm talking to you, player. Oh man, that's too close. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, player? Please talk to me. Where you going? There's a car coming over there. Be careful, man. There's a car coming over there. Talk to me, player. What are you looking for, mate? Oh, okay, I know why. You want KFC? KFC's over there. They're closed, mate. You late, mate. Where you going? Where you going, mate? Talk to me, player. Talk to me, man. Where you going? Oh my God. You can come close. We can have a chat. You want a beer? Okay, here, come. Talk to me. Where you going, player? Where you going, mate? You don't want to talk to me? I think it's too dark, man. You better go home, man. It's too dark. Okay. You're eating a chip, mate. Where you going, mate? Talk to me. What's up? There's a car coming over there. No lights. You gotta be careful, man. There's no lights over there. The car is just driving without lights. Two cars. Oh, man. Off you go. See you later, buddy. Bye. Whoops, there's noise over there. Who's that? Oh, you going? See you later, buddy. Oh, he's gone. Here you go. He's gone. He's flying. Oh, damn. Hey, KFC, man. I think he was looking for something to eat at KFC, man. That's KFC over there. That's it. That's Will go over there. And this is Argos over there. Oh, man. He's gone. Where is he? There's no one there, man. That's my car over there. I'm going home. Nice bed. I love beds. I just love beds.